Chinyumba, Buna chi TV set, chi decoder, chi hoover, chi birika chuko belia mache, DVD players, chi machine chuko gingira, ebirobu biestima, bichi aina au. Power extensions, showers, consumer units, solar panels, inverters, industrial sockets, switch boxes, cooker sockets, circuit breakers, chibasi chokobasiri chianga, chi insulator switches, chi tester chistima, chi meter boxes, nebinde binge. Nigobare imeyumo chukisi, Asinyumba ya Guzi Plaza, room number G2. Naboko bakiresimi, Asinamba, enoti isano na ibere, eyemo isano, enoti marakabere, kianda isano na isato, Ibere isano na ibere, gose, enoti isano na ibere, eyemo isano na isato, isano nemo enoti, isano na ibere inye, isano nemo Ibere. Wima Electricals and Electronics, the best electricals in town. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Nande nejuma mozengi ya tokonyana na semesa ya mangana maya chitari kibero motinyino yokano mwaka bujuru ne merongebere nebere karango kwari no karanso ikende ngwerere na ali twagusangiri gulia ketegwe kaboniga no kuburikwane no nyara ogendere kutubwatya ne asimitanda weta sense media Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News asense media YouTube na bako tonyora Ndizi TV News na bako tweet @Ndizi TV News karangel kyao ni kutukarende kirenza kireta kagwetera ase namba eyira seskini yao yoika karanso ike ninde ngwerera rya twagusangiri kuirianyi moja sugusu amo nabosongo yole kurwa sense meri yo murwe manyerio nigakorokwa Joshua Auta neliane Brighton Makori. Rero nigo riri tuko rinene ensengima rikoinyora abana bali no barema anene rimanyekanite buna rituko ri Autism Day rutu kwambuka no mo director kuruha se kiombe kimanyekanite buna Dazzling Center oyu oborire abayiboli gotababisa abana babo kolende ko basokia egarate buna teribu ya abayiboli bali bakubisa abana abo ababwato mo chando oyu niyo yatebe kande buna abayiboli mbaro bakubisa abana abo bali ko basoki erinde yeirira buna abana bagenda gutwara emechanda sichinga chabo igobono musubati rutu ni ganyarika kubolia abayiboli abo gwasoka na gosokia abana abo ina barabo abana banyare bakunyirwa na kwegwa maigerio ande asinsito oya Kenya. Tiyatonyore ngaki rutu anyaraka ukwana asoroboti irokubwatia.
2nd of April is World Autism Day, but the whole of April, the whole month is normally it's Autism World Awareness Month. Tutakuwa create awareness about autism. What I can say to the public or to the community and society as a whole, let's embrace these kids. Let's embrace the autistic community. These are people who are just like us. And me, actually, being a mother of an autistic child, they have a lot of potential. They can learn a lot of things, and they can be people that we can look up to in society. So to see our future watoto, tuwape nafasi kwa society, so that they can fit in our society.
Asijinga gejejo musubati Melza Silisha nigonera nyarega kote abuna emiroberi ya bene takiri kubekwa anene asiji skuru elikwegeria abana ababwatobole mu bubwa autism egarate biruna emiroberi ya bene gosesila paswe curriculum neta kiri kubekwa sense yito ya Kenya ilikuwa maigerio aisaini gochiasa abana aba babwato mochando yo.
To help those affected with autism, first of all, the theme for this year is supporting education for all. And we understand that learning can be very difficult for autistic children. So we have modified learning to them to be in a special way that they can be able to understand learning, supporting autistic children and their families, and basically understanding what autism is and the challenges that comes with them will make things easier for us to accept these people, to reduce the stigma, and to be able to raise healthy children, autistic or not. Mostly for autism children, you find that learning becomes difficult for them. Emotional expression becomes very difficult for them. So it can be hard to relate to other people. It can be difficult to even understand themselves as they are growing up. And we are supporting them to ensure that they understand that it is a normal thing and it is something that they can be able to go through life.
Abawatani bekia makio DM kurwase kaunti ya Kisii ni gobono bago sereri gojikunganya kurwase kia mekio bune miroberi ya bene teri gojikobekwa anene asimiroberi liyo kwena jidiketi goji asibali bakurwana nebirugo aw kolengana barabo ni gobono banyari bago teabuna mbaranjirana kwena no goji tiketi goji asabarai aw ni gago jamaega yo mugumende bwe kaunti ya Kisii chane diongera korekana buna ni gairo tiketi gojikurwana ndo bugumende bwe kaunti yeiga pono ni gabotane banyari we soki na wateabuna ina ticket njiri uchikwena ni wasenjera ere ndonge nikoba uchikunganya kurwase kiama ekyo.
We the Kisii County ODM aspirants in the MNA and MCA seats across the 9 constituencies and 45 wards do hereby resolve as follows. 1. That we are aggrieved, angered and annoyed by the decision by the party to purport to give a direct ticket to one Janet Ongera as the women representative ODM flag bearer. The consensus in Kisii is not welcome, since the date for nominations are slated to be on 7th of April, which is only 6 days away, and all aspirants here can attest with me that they are ready for nominations. That we all aspirants, the 103 in number, do resolve that we all meet in Chungwa House on Monday with our resignation letters from ODM in readiness to a different party or independent if the National Elections Board will not rescind its purported decision to give one Honorable Janet Ongera a direct ticket under ODM. Number 5, that we demand that our gubernatorial ODM flag bearer, Honorable Simba Arat, be given the latitude to arrange plan for ODM in Kisii County the same way the outgoing Governor Ongwae was treated in both 2013 and 2017.
Ayuka gendrete ni gobono munyakero bwekia magi ODM ase kaunti ya Kisii kerosio ndie kyanya kawe sokya na goteabuna kungusana na konde ngoyo ase gatie kya meki ODM konende kyanya kawe teabuna kungusana na koliko kungusana na ngoyo konende bali batakete ticket einero enjere ya moye kyama kendrete kutwara gosikotinga ase kaunti ya Kisii tigatwe ngakikerosio ndie kyanya kawe kwana.
The perceptions that we have factions is neither here nor there. It's a fact that we are now in a political stage where people are fighting for tickets. So there is a perception which is created that there are divisions. There are no divisions. I'm the chairman of the party and firmly in control of the same.
Ekartu tukartase kia magi ODM ni gotoka enda goikase kaunti Nyamira hasibona babwatani bekia mekina barwanyareba kuboli murai bekia magi ODM Raila Odinga kubanjira kubachora bali bajukurukie bendera yokulie birogo aw hase kaunti yo kolengana barabu ni banyareba goteabuna ekaro murai bekia mekiara swanani na kuba abantu ji direct ticket ni gera chikore tukungusana usomo chanda hase kaunti yo ya Nyamira.
Amua kama wapiga kura tupige kura tutoe mtu wetu mbele aendelee kupigania hiyo kiti. Asanteni. Rumors inatoka hapa na kule kama kuna watu watapewa tiketi za free waendelee kupigania hiyo kiti, lakini sisi kama wapiga kura tunataka tuende kwa uwanja. Tupige kura kwanza ndio tujue ni nani anaendelea.
Kama pivi kusimamia wana youth kuambia kwamba kuna kila mtu akona uwezo wake wa kuchagua kiongozi ambaye anataka. Sasa kwa hivyo tupewe nafasi tuende tuchague, kila mtu achague kiongozi wake ambaye anampenda.
Sisi kama watu wa Nyamira County tunamuomba Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga awajane sisi tufanye nomination yetu Nyamira County. Mheshimiwa Raila, sisi ni watu wa Azimio. Tunakuomba uache sisi tufanye uchaguzi wetu, tumchague yule ambaye atapewa tiketi kwa kuwania ugavana. Yule mwenye mnataka kupatia unaweza pata hiyo tiketi inaenda kuraliwa, lakini yule ambaye tutachagua upate ndiye atakuwa governor Nyamira County.
Ekero tugotigana na siasa ni gotoko enda ikaza masomo hanene kerobona abandi bagendete guchengira machibu amaya yekirasi Isano Isano yanyaraka gosoka nigobone skuru ya mukuru ase county ya Nandi skuru ya maikanda kabujeseli yanyara gokora bobe asibona abayiboli banyara bakwemurungana na gotabuna abatereni be skuru eyo nigo bagarire skuru ya konyora machibu amabe.
Hawaoni ni nini inatokea kwa hii shule? Ukiona mtoto wa kwanza, in fact huyu mtoto wa kwanza aliyefaulu hapa kupata 281 ni mwanafunzi aliyesomea shule ingine akaregister kwa hii shule. Mwanafunzi huyu wa 122, huyu mtoto ataenda wapi? Mambo ya kusema ati indiscipline hii ama mambo ya boda. Mbona imekuwa katika hii shule peke yake? Tuko na mashule hapa karibu, lakini hatuoni hii mambo ya indiscipline. Where is this indiscipline coming from? Is it not originating from the school? Mambo ya kusema ati wasasi wakiitwa hawakuji, wanakuja kufanya nini? Na wakikuja ni ile wimbo yenyu kila siku mnasema ati watoto wenyu. So what are you doing in this school? Simutoke, wengine wakuje walalamike.
Murai wenze Uhuru Kenyatta nigo bona abari kandichi diplomat kuru as chinse cheisiko abatu metu ho cha sense yeito ya Kenya nene gokora abokoreri we chinse cha sense yeito ya Kenya kati ya bara yabo banyarite bakwargani wali tukurigoro ngamo numurai wenze ya Israel go so yunyo de ga tumkuru as sense ya Israel umayikantra Mikhail Roten oikuru as sense ya Israel boigo yen zanchan kuru as sense ya Korea nena nyarite ga kwargani no murai wenza buri tukurigoro asama cho State House boigo yoarigane tuwe ngorwa sense ya Japani uyu maikandana okaniwa Ken gati ya barai abange abanyarite bakwaraniwa litukuregoro abaujo korero bokoreri bwa basense yetu ya Kenya anene ekerobono ba korero bokorio boigo murai bwense litukulere nanyaraga korwa uchumbe yaye yokubaganiri abaislam bonzi amayekero bagochaka umutienyi obo Ramadhan ni obono murai bwense anyariga koru uchumbe yigo cyase abaislam bonzi asense yetu ya Kenya asibona abasabere amaya na kogenderera gusaba nyasawo bo nigatebo no mutinyo yu nigo bagochikurigireria mono amangana naki bago strength amangana ye family nago inakoira gosenga kibago chikora bali batari bakonyoroke asense yetu ya Kenya igumurai bwense nigo abatumira abaislam bonzi amaya. Kubotakana nege korugia korekaniteri tukuri orase county ya Uasin Gishu ni gobona barai abo banyarire bagwe soke na kugikiria enganeri abantu banyarite bagusagana endege ya mugurite murai wikiama gyodi murera murodinga ase banyirutete amagena korenga no roboti rwo batugukia sinyomba cyoburaria oyotenendete gosomonogeri wikiama gya ODM oso yotenendete chikampeni cyumurai wikiama gya ODM Professor Makau Mutua ni gobona nyarika komochege korwekyo ase bona ateberuna ense ya Kenya teri asichinga kidi chokoleta chisegi asabo gatebya barai aho kubwaterana na kugikeri chisegi echo ijanya tikorokiwa tikwenekiwa ose bari ndege iyo asatebuna ni gobatagete kuturwani muremba sense yeito ya Kenya amangana agutwikira SMS yeito amangana mahingaki nelina abantu 14 ni gobono babekiru byara anene karba kageruna na barenge bosyo bogo chakia amangana yose buraburu iyo yana getuko litko ligoro. Ekarato tigareta se ringanerio ni gobono mokonyi bo muraibu ensi Dr. William Ruto hamajiri agakorwe kikenya ndake akorekana litku rigoro tigatugwe ngakirutanya reka okwana igoro yagakorwe kyo yakorekana litku rigoro.
Yesterday there was an incident in Uasin Gishu County where the party leader of our opposing party some violence was actually meted on the Honorable Raila Odinga. Let me state categorically that the United Democratic Alliance and all our Kenya Kwanza partners are believers in a peaceful, progressive Kenya. We are committed to a peaceful nomination exercise and a peaceful election in August.
Asinga geje Ruto ni wana nyareka gusaba mabira gokia somora wiki magyo demrera murodinga asibona babulia babwatani bonza nene bali ba Kenya Kwanza ne kiama kya UDA kurario marembe ekaroto enda tegwere no jaso bojore bonne bumwakoyo.
I also take this opportunity to apologize to the Honorable Raila Odinga for what happened to him yesterday. It was really unfortunate. And I hope those who engaged in this exercise regret what they did. And as I have said, we will roll out the party structures to work with the security agencies so that we can get to the root of this act, which is most unfortunate. And we will demonstrate our commitment to an election that is peaceful, by making sure that we take the necessary steps to ensure that all our members, all our candidates, and our entire party engages in this election on the basis of ideas and not any acts that are as unfortunate as we saw yesterday. So thank you very much.
Umurai wekiama kia waiba Kalonzo Musyoka oyibo igora sobo mabwa simiora umoja ni kanyarega koboli bali abarai bali bara sobo mabwa Kenya Kwanza komosiko murai wenzi Uhuru Kenyatta asibate biruna Uhuru tatakeri komajwa asibono Kalonzo motogiri omosiko Uhuru Kenyatta na gotabuna Uhuru ni garo murai umuya neherekera gorengana neherekera gotabuna no nekera lingo mu vice president nere tamocheti Mwai Kibaki kolende nere maskani Uhuru Kenyatta atakiri kwaewa.
Nikitaka kumkashifu Rais Kibaki, kama ningesimama kando na jiuzulu kama makamu wa rais wa Kenya, alafu naweza kumkashifu. Sasa tunazungumza Deputy President wa Kenya ni William Ruto, President ni Uhuru Kenyatta. Sidhani kama kuna president mwingine dunia nzima kama Uhuru Kenyatta.
Ahina ona kwarianlia se jinse jiga konende nyona na chikora ga jinse ikomi na nijikwira na semensa mangana mai erinko erere alia endete gwate kaimena isiko ya gusi konende ase kagetari gegetambe kuruboni no chikonyona na babu mukongo ya somoroberio rumba erinde nerara gotengia kekerori ritugira chima mosigo enda kuribwa timero birito na bogo tubwate asensemeri mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News, YouTube na bogo tonyora Ndizi TV News, asensemeri ya Twitter na bogo to tweet @Ndizi TV News kerengelikia oni tukere ntikirensa kiredaka wetera senamba yirase skini yao igo twarobuliro buya oyo lenga sensemeri yo murwe manyererio nigakorokwa Auta neriane Brighton Makori twarobuliro obuya.